In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a side menu to your Wix website. Adding a side menu is a great way to enhance navigation for your visitors and give your site a cleaner, more organized look. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you're able to easily follow along and apply these changes to your website. Let's start by heading over to wix.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the Login button and enter your account credentials to access your Wix dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites under My Sites. Select the website you wish to edit and click on Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This will bring you into the main editing area where all the customization magic happens. With the Wix editor open, shift your focus to the left-hand toolbar and click the Add button, represented by the plus sign. This is where you can add various elements to your site. From the options presented, navigate to Menu and then look for Side Menu or Vertical Menu, depending on the Wix version you're using. Now simply drag the side menu feature onto your page. Position it along the left or right side of your website layout, whichever aligns with your design preference. Now that your side menu is in place, it's time to customize it to suit your website's structure. Click on the side menu in the editor, which will open up options to manage your menu items. You can add, remove, or reorder menu items so they mirror the pages you have on your site. This step is crucial because properly managed menu items ensure your site visitors can navigate to the desired pages effortlessly. Don't forget to link each menu item to the corresponding page within your website to maintain seamless user navigation. Next, it's time to style your side menu to make sure it fits with the overall design of your website. Click on Design to explore various styling options. Here, you'll find choices for fonts, colors, hover effects, and even the menu's background style. Adjust the width and spacing to make sure it integrates well with the rest of your site's design elements. This customization allows you to add a personal touch, ensuring the menu complements your brand and user experience. With our side menu all set up and styled, the final step involves saving and publishing your changes. Click the Save button to make sure all your hard work is preserved. Use the Preview button to take a look at how your new side menu appears and functions on your site. Once you're satisfied with the result, hit Publish to make these changes live for your visitors to see, and there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a side menu on your Wix website. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that your new side menu brings improved functionality and a polished look to your site. Thanks for watching.